you're looking for your nearest Y-strap doctor, just visit my website, drjosephcipriano.com. Click the tab locations and you'll be able to find doctors that perform the Y-strap adjustment near you. And if you're a fellow chiropractor out there watching and you use the Y-strap also, visit the site, find out how you can be listed on here as well. Today, actually, we got cousin Gino coming in from Chicago. So I know a little bit of a trip to get here.
Oh yeah, drove 7 hours to get here.
7 hours to get here.
Yeah.
Man.
Sore. I got a kink in my neck that's been bothering me for a while.
And yeah, you're telling me about the
hamstring.
Yep, that right hamstring has been tightening up. Yeah. Even last night, I had the massager at the house, and he's sitting here massaging his leg with it, his hamstring. But
I got a little jump on it already.
Doing it, yeah, a little bit sooner. Nice.
Yeah.
All right. So this is actually going to be his first time getting a full adjustment by me. Normally it's either when I'm at your place in Chicago or that. Yeah. I mean, actually, that was what, 3 years ago? Right?
Usually
4?
after you have a couple glasses of wine, you crack me up, and it feels great.
All right. Well, let's get you feeling great. At least this time, you know.
Yeah, I get the real deal.
Yep. Table, everything, real deal today. Okay. Let me get you to lay face down on the table. Alright, so I'm going to start off. I always scan the body. Checking the leg length. Checking the back, the spine. Looking at the muscle, the tonicity. When I come down here, so his right leg is pulling short. Hips are level though, which is a good thing. Okay. Let me know if there's any pain or tenderness with anything, okay? Good. Okay. Now we're going to start off with the massager. Is that right up top here? Man, I can tell that kink in your neck you got there. Everything's super tight.
Yeah. Ah, feels great.
Take a deep breath in and out.
Oh.
One more time, deep breath in and out.
Oh.
Good. Okay. Let me have you sit up on the table. Bring one arm up. Bring the other arm up here. Good. I'm going to rotate you like this. Oh. There it was. On the other side.
Oh, good. Feels good.
Okay. Let me have you lay face down again for me.
Face down.
Yep. Raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
No.
Okay, good. Relax. Now the left one. Any issues with that?
No.
Good. Okay. Flip onto your back for me. From here I'm going to do leg pulls. You'll feel release in the ankle, the knee, going up to the hip.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that popped.
One more. Good.
beautiful, Dr. Joseph. You have a nice firm grip.
Coming up.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that beautiful face.
Traveled 7 hours. I'm very satisfied.
Good. There you go. Alright, bring your knees in front. One arm up. Bring the other arm up. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Already cleared. Alright, scoot down just a little bit on the table. Perfect. Lay back. Good. Right there. Your first time actually getting the Y strap done by me.
Yes.
So you'll be able to tell everybody also how it feels. Good, good, good. Yeah, with this we're going to decompress the spine here.
Man, that was amazing.
And rest.
Oh.
What
it
did you feel?
literally just released like 1,000 pounds of tension down my spine. Feels great. I don't know what these people watching are waiting for. I traveled 7 hours. I would travel 14 hours for this.
Good.
That felt amazing.
I know, especially, yeah, all that driving.
Oh.
I know, and then your line of work, all the stress, commercial
Yeah.
real estate, so.
Oh man, that felt great. Literally, that kink is gone after that Y strap. Oh.
Good, yeah, come on up.
Oh man, that feels awesome.
Relax right there for me. Gonna use the massager again.
No joking, that Y strap really did the trick. Tell you, I think after that, I'm officially replacing my G strap with a Y strap. It was that powerful.
Right?
Yeah. More satisfying too.
Good. Stand up.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of move around a little bit. How things feeling?
It feels good.
That kink, I know you're laying there.
Yeah, no, honestly, I mean, I had a hard time bending and now it's gone.
Yeah.
Seriously. And I can feel it posture-wise, you know?
Feel it just
Yeah,
makes
it
you
just
kind of
pulls you, you know, because gravity's pulling you down, it pulls you up.
perfect.
Yeah.
See, I told you needed that one.